Today, we will be discussing how to replace the cord set on Series L 70,000 reels. When you notice that your cord is damaged, you'll want to replace it. For safety precautions, please reference the service manuals on our website before making any adjustments. If you're supplying your own cable, ensure all wires on the inlet cord are stripped back no further than 0.55 inches. To replace the cord, you'll start by removing the access cover. Then pull out the electrical cord until it's fully extended and latch it into place. Next, remove the bumper stop using your flathead screwdriver. Once that has been removed, disconnect the output electrical cord at the splicing connectors. Next, remove the strain relief, then remove the cord. To install the replacement cord, you'll reverse the steps. Connect the new cord to the strain relief. Then to the splicing connectors. Now you can add your bumper stop back onto your new cord. Release the latch and rewind the cord onto your reel. Replace the access cover. Last, check for continuity through your cord reel by testing each individual conductor to ensure you wired everything correctly. Now you're ready to use your cord reel. For more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.